Open new Canva project and let's change the background color to black. And you can upload your own image from uploads. Let's just use this one. Remove the background and increase the size. Go to edit, filters, click see all and scroll down to outrun. Go to apps and type color mix. Choose this app. Choose Arctic and let's make it 0.5. Click save. Go to edit again, shadows, outline, change the color to white color and decrease the size and download this page as PNG. Just delete this image and now change the background color to white color and let's type our text. Change the font to disclaimer font, increase the size and go to effects, outline, change the color to black and let's make 7 in thickness. Download this page as well as PNG and now just delete this text and upload the two images that you just make. Go to apps and type blend image. Choose this app. Click in the text first, use it in top layer and click in this image, use it in bottom layer. Go to blend mode and choose screen and click add to design. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.